Hello and welcome to our channel, and today we're going to attempt to change the idler valve on an M60 B40, and that's the engine fitted to a BMW E34 540 and other V8 4-litre models from that period. For those of you wondering, the idler valve is the cylinder on top of the throttle body. It is located there. So first you want to disconnect the wire from the idler valve. Simply pushes in and pulls out, like so. Then we need to remove the Jubilee clips around the intake pipe. Now we need to separate the intake boot away from the throttle body and the idler valve. Now we have to pull the rubber that goes around the idler valve out and jiggle the idler valve, and it should just fall out like so. Now the new idler valve is ready to be fitted, but before then make sure you replace all rubbers with new items before replacing the new idler valve. It's a case of making it fit snugly and making sure there's a good seal. Then plugging the connector in. Then replacing the intake boot and making sure they are secured nice and snugly. And once you've done that, it's time to see if this has cured your problem. And that's how you change the idle valve on your BMW E34 540 and any V8 model of this era. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.